In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can completely uninstall LibreOffice from Windows. So for it, you need to go to your Windows search option, or search over here setting. Here you can see setting. Then you need to go to the apps, then go to the install app section, and here you need to search for LibreOffice. Here you can see. So I'm going to click on this three dot, then click on uninstall. And if it asks for a permission, just give permission yes. So this will take some time, around 30 seconds, to completely uninstall LibreOffice. And there you can see LibreOffice is uninstalled. So after that, what you can do is that you can go to your folder, then go to your local disk C, and here you need to check program files, and here you need to look for LibreOffice folder. Here you can see we have LibreOffice folder here. You just need to delete this folder. After that, go back, and here you can see program files 86, go inside, and here look for LibreOffice. And if there is any LibreOffice folder, just delete it. If there is none, that's fine. Then go back, and this time you need to go to your user folder in the local disk C. Then go to user folder, and here you need to look for app data folder. Here you can see app data. So just if you do not see this app data folder, click on view, click on show, and click on hidden items. So go inside app data, then go inside local. So here you need to look for LibreOffice folder, and here you can see LibreOffice folder. So we can just delete this. So once you delete this, it means LibreOffice is completely removed from your system. So yeah, this is how you can completely uninstall LibreOffice from Windows. I hope this was useful. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.